We know what you're thinking. You want to get into the caravan market, but it's oversaturated with Chinese shipping container shortcut caravans. Not built here, just happen to be assembled. But you want something quality, but you want comfort, but you want to be able to support the Australian manufacturing and travel precinct of Australia here in Victoria. Well, we have just the van for you. Introducing brand new Dreamhaven Caravans by Crusader. We have off-road, we have on-road, we have first time, second time and third time buyer caravans. Guys, give us a call 93592938 to find out all about Dreamhaven Caravans by Crusader. Australian made, of supporting Australian workers.
Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please feel free to check out more from Crusader Caravans Melbourne. We have plenty of tutorial videos, product highlights and walkthrough videos for your next new Crusader caravan. Thanks so much. Hit subscribe, push the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks so much and happy caravanning.